guys, and welcome back into this new video. In today, as you can read in the title, I am going to drift in Teardown. So if you guys don't know, Teardown is a video game in which you can practically destroy everything. And the map I'm in is pretty much, it's a mod of course, and it's pretty much perfect. So basically, a difference to the other maps, it has an underground. So like you can actually dig underground a bit, and it's literally like I am giant and the whole town is small. So let's go into the vehicle that we're gonna drift. So basically I already done this. Are you okay? I already did this many times, which I really love, and I thought it was just fun to put it on YouTube. So let's go. Whatever. So basically I put in a mod called Vehicle Booster to help me drift. Right, that's not really interesting. Could have done better. I mean, I just have to try to clear the area a bit. No, that's not what I wanted it to happen. Alright. Just perfect for taking down trees. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is so lag. Oh no! I put in slow motion to the side. Oh my god, I can't see my screen. Right, it's not actually what I really wanted. Wanted to do. Oh my god. Alright, whatever. Now I need to go into a city and destroy it. Just put in slow motion to get the like 8-time boost. That's why I'm going like 140 kilometers per hour. No, keep the slow motion. Keep the slow motion. So that we can actually see some frames. I'm pretty much lagging even if I am in slow motion. Like, wait, the settings, graphics, low, render scale, 75%. Alright, so with the render scale lower, the graphics is worse, but our FPS is better. So I think it's worth it. Bye bye. No, this is so fun. By the way, if you're watching this, please subscribe, because you really help me out as a young creator. Not everyone has the courage to create a YouTube channel at 12. Oh crap. Oh my god. I'm just gonna leave this. How do I have to find a way to actually, I mean, it's kind of doing an FPS actually. Like, this minigun is somehow doing my FPS, so not complete. Wait, but actually, I have a better idea. If I destroy every single debris, I think that like my FPS is gonna get better. Because I know, at the top left, there are my FPS, but like the recording FPS for some reason are just lower. So like if I have 30, you might have like 20 or 10, depends. So this one is the first vehicle I drifted with, and it's actually the most perfect. So they take off this, perfect. Oh my god, I'm drifting a truck above the city. There's no way. I'm going 200. Oh, I'm flying. Oh, I'm flying. I'm flying. I'm going into outer space. This is absolutely crazy cool. But what about if I can use it? And after I put the actual vehicle speed booster. Right now I'm gonna have about 300 kilometers per hour. Oh my god, that's so cool. No, what? Why'd you go slower? Maybe because of the water? Dude, my FPS are so... Why is there water like this? Oh my god, why is there just water like this? Alright. Restart. Restart. And now I'm going to try to drift. Actually, very hard vehicle to drift. So let's get into this. By the way, this is probably either me creating a new channel and just posting a video, or either me keeping my channel and just posting a video. This video take just a lot to edit, so just watch till the end so that like the algorithm is better. And if you're feeling kind today, share this video to a friend. I don't know, just find this like super satisfying to play. Alright, I never tried this one. No, not this one. Fuck you. This one. So it's a surprise to me too. But it looks like it's going real fast. Oh my god. Bro, this truck is going over trees. It's not breaking them. This truck is able to go over cities. Oh my god. Oh my god. There's no way. But what happens if I slow motion speed? Oh my god. I'm gonna be sent to outer space. No, 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 no. Don't. Please, please, please. Alright, thanks. Oh my god. Boom. Whee! Oh. I just broke that palace like it was nothing. Oh my god. I just absolutely love this game. By the way, I'm sorry for the low FPS. Oh, I'm getting like 300 kilometers per hour now. There's no fucking way. Oh my god, I'm going into outer space. I'm going into outer space, that's where I'm going. Where are you going? Into outer space, what about you? Alright, let's go this way. speed a little bit. Bro, I just absolutely love this game so much. Oh my god. This is so cool. There's no way. Wait, I just want to destroy half of the city just like... But no, that's not how it's supposed to go. Oh my... Alright, right. Wait. I just love this. There's no way. Wait, what's the sign of on the wheels? What's the sign on the wheels? Wait a minute. Oh fuck, oh fuck, oh fuck, oh fuck, oh shit, oh fuck, oh shit, oh fuck, oh shit. Oh fuck. Wait, what's the sign on the wheels? Alright, and with this, I'm just ending the video. Thank you so much for watching, and please, especially, subscribe. And bye. Oh wait, I'm done.